Hi, my name is Anaisela Meravendaño. Her story. One day, as usual, on October 31, the children wore their very special costume. However, Christian, the 13 years old boy, only wore his mask and black jeans. It was already 20 o'clock in the club, where the party was taking place, and for them two friends dressed as Fayred had already dispersed. The chorus thing was that in a corner of the place there were drops of blood, so they came up to investigate. They after having investigated Shield. By Shield they gave the answer that the boy ended 16 years old. He mysteriously lied alone added was no one to answer the question of the police. So they decided to inspect the place where he was found, but they found terrifying things. At that moment, the boy fled for a secret tour and heard no more about him. There they had different types of blood whimpers, something like that continues in stories. Bye bye. Thank you.